Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is NEET Exam Preparation Biology Questions Part 3. Question number 1. Meiotic division in plant and animal cell occur respectively in Option A. Diploid and haploid cell. Option B. Haploid and diploid cell. Option C. Diploid cell in both. Option D. Haploid cell in both. The correct answer is Option C. Diploid cell in both. Meiosis always occurs in diploid cell. Meiosis is a process where a single cell divides twice to produce 4 cells containing half the original amount of genetic information. Meiosis begins with a parent cell that is diploid. Question number 2. Cell wall consists of Option A. Lignin, hemicellulose, protein and lipid. Option B. Hemicellulose, cellulose, tubulin and lignin. Option C. Lignin, hemicellulose, pectin and lipid. Option D. Lignin, hemicellulose, pectin and cellulose. The correct answer is Option D. Lignin, hemicellulose, pectin and cellulose. Cell wall is composed of the polysaccharides cellulose, hemicelluloses and pectin. Often, other polymers such as lignin, suberin or cutin are anchored to or embedded in plant cell walls. Question number 3. Part of chromosome after secondary constriction is called Option A. Centriole. Option B. Centromere. Option C. Chromomere. Option D. Satellite. The correct answer is Option D. Satellite. The part of the chromosome which is present beyond the secondary constriction is called satellite body or trabant. Question number 4. 1. Chromosomes cluster at opposite spindle poles and their identity is lost as discrete elements. 2. Nuclear envelope assembles around the chromosome clusters. 3. Nucleolus, Golgi complex and ER reform. Above features indicates which phase of mitosis. Option A. Anaphase. Option B. Telophase. Option C. Cytokinesis. Option D. S phase. The correct answer is Option B. Telophase. During telophase, the individual chromosomes are no longer seen and chromatin material tends to collect in a mass at the 2 poles. Chromosomes cluster at opposite spindle poles and their identity is lost as discrete elements. Nuclear envelope assembles around the chromosome clusters. Nucleolus, Golgi complex and ER reform. Question number 5. ER often shows ribosome attaches to its Option A. Luminal surface. Option B. Extraluminal surface. Option C. A and B both. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option B. Extraluminal surface. Ribosomes are found free in the cytoplasm or bound to the endoplasmic reticulum, ER, to form rough endoplasmic reticulum RER. Question number 6. Which of the following is a nucleated cell? Option A. RBC of frog. Option B. Sieve tube element. Option C. A and B both. Option D. RBC of crocodile. The correct answer is Option B. Sieve tube element. Sieve tube cell is enucleate at maturity due to the degeneration of its nucleus during its developmental process. The companion cell that develops from the same initial as the sieve tube cell possesses the nucleus throughout its life. Question number 7. Facilitated diffusion can be differentiated from active transport except Option A. Energy does not required. Option B. Show saturation effect. Option C. Accumulation of molecule. Option D. A and C both. The correct answer is Option B. Show saturation effect. Facilitated diffusion, moving of molecules through a semi-permeable membrane with the use of the cell's facilities, that is, protein carriers or channels. Active transport, Transport of molecules against the concentration gradient with the use of a protein carrier. This uses ATP. Question number 8. Chromosome decondensation, crossing over, synapses formation, nucleolus disappear, chromosome separation, astral ray formation, centriole duplication. How many of these are observed in prophase of meiosis I and mitosis both? Option A, 3. Option B, 4. Option C, 2. Option D, 5. The correct answer is option C, 2. Nucleolus disappear, astral ray formation, are observed in both prophase of meiosis I and mitosis. Question number 9. Which of the following steps during glycolysis is associated with utilization of ATP? Option A. Glucose produces glucose 6-phosphate. Option B. Fructose 6-phosphate produces fructose 1,6-biphosphate. Option C. PEP produces pyruvic acid. Option D. Both A and B. The correct answer is option D. Both A and B. Glucose produces glucose 6-phosphate and fructose 6-phosphate produces fructose 1,6-biphosphate are seen during glycolysis is associated with utilization of ATP. Question number 10. Respiratory quotient may be represented as option A. Oxygen taken in, carbon dioxide evolved. Option B. Carbon dioxide evolved, oxygen taken in. Option C. Oxygen taken in, water evolved. Option D. Carbon dioxide taken in, water evolved. The correct answer is option B. Carbon dioxide evolved, oxygen taken in. Respiratory quotient, also known as the respiratory ratio, RQ, is defined as the volume of carbon dioxide released over the volume of oxygen absorbed during respiration. Question number 11. The reaction that is responsible for the fixation of carbon dioxide is catalyzed by which of the following enzymes in plants? Option A. Ru-BP carboxylase. Option B. PEP carboxylase. Option C. Ru-BP carboxylase and PEP carboxylase. Option D. PGA synthase. The correct answer is option C. Ru-BP carboxylase and PEP carboxylase. Ru-BP carboxylase and PEP carboxylase are the enzymes responsible for the fixation of carbon dioxide in plants. Question number 12. Glucose synthesis occurs during which stage of C3 cycle? Option A. Carboxylation. Option B. Oxygenation. Option C. Glycolytic reversal. Option D. Regeneration. The correct answer is option D. Regeneration. Calvin cycle can be organized into 3 basic stages: fixation, reduction, and regeneration. Question number 13. Leg hemoglobin is required in the process of option A. Nitrification. Option B. Reductive amination. Option C. Ammonification. Option D. Diazotrophy. The correct answer is option D. Diazotrophy. Diazotrophs are bacteria and archaea that fix atmospheric nitrogen gas into a more usable form such as ammonia. Question number 14. In apoplast pathway, water moves exclusively through the option A. Plasmodesmata. Option B. Cell walls. Option C. Intercellular spaces. Option D. Both B and C. The correct answer is option D. Both B and C. The apoplast pathway is where water takes a route going from cell wall to cell wall, not entering the cytoplasm at any point. Question number 15. Given figure represents C4 pathway. Select the suitable options for A, B and C. Option A. A decarboxylation, B reduction, C regeneration. Option B. A fixation, B transmination, C regeneration. Option C. A carboxylation, B decarboxylation, C reduction. Option D. A fixation, B. Decarboxylation, C. Regeneration. The correct answer is option D. A. Fixation, B. Decarboxylation, C. Regeneration. The C4 pathway is designed to efficiently fix carbon dioxide at low concentrations, and plants that use this pathway are known as C4 plants. These plants fix carbon dioxide into a 4-carbon compound, C4, called oxaloacetate. This occurs in cells called mesophyll cells. Question number 16. Pollens have two prominent walls which are A and B. Here A and B refers to option A intine, B protein coat, option B A exine, B intine, option C A sporopollen in, B intine, option D A sporopollen in, B exine. The correct answer is option B A exine, B intine. Pollen grain or microspore is made up of two layers known as exine and intine. The outer layer, exine, is made up of sporopollenin, and the inner layer, intine, is made up of pectocellulose. Question number 17. Identify the type of ovary in diagram dash. Option A. Multicarpellary apocarpus. Option B. Multicarpellary syncarpus. Option C. Multicarpellary pistillate. Option D. Monocarpellary apocarpus. The correct answer is option D. Monocarpellary apocarpus. A carpel is composed of an ovary, a style, and a stigma. If the gynoecium consists of a single pistil, it is called monocarpellary. Question number 18. Transfer of pollen grains from the anther to stigma of another flower of same plant is called option A. Gatonogamy. Option B. Chasmogamy. Option C. Xenogamy. Option D. Cleistogamy. The correct answer is option A. Gatonogamy. Gatonogamy is when pollen is exported using a vector, pollinator or wind, out of one flower but only to another flower on the same plant. It is a form of self-fertilization. Question number 19. For a gene, if A equals male plant, BB equals female plant, find out the genotype of endosperm and embryo. Option A. AAB, BBA. Option B. AAB, AB. Option C. ABB, AB. Option D. BBA, AAB. The correct answer is option C. ABB, AB. Question number 20. Perisperm is option A. Remnants of nucellus. Option B. Remnants of embryo. Option C. Remnants of endosperm. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Remnants of nucellus. The nucellus is generally used up during the development of embryo, but in some cases it remains outside the endosperm in the form of a thin layer, called perisperm. Question number 21. Choose the feature not associated with organisms found in tropical deserts. Option A. Small body size. Option B. Large surface area relative to their volume. Option C. Large body extremities. Option D. Small surface area relative to their volume. The correct answer is option D. Small surface area relative to their volume. Organisms found in tropical deserts have a thick outer covering that minimizes moisture loss. Animals in tropical deserts have also been found to concentrate their urine in their kidneys to excrete less water. Question number 22. Which of the following is an important adaptation of animals to cold climate? Option A. Thin layer of body fat. Option B. Estivation. Option C. Decreased tendency to shiver. Option D. Reduced surface area to volume ratio. The correct answer is option D. Reduced surface area to volume ratio. Animals have many adaptations to survive in this harsh environment. Animals need shelter and insulation in the tundra. The animals here tend to have thicker and warmer feathers and fur. Many of them have larger bodies and shorter arms, legs and tails, which helps them retain their heat better and prevent heat loss. Question number 23. What type of human population is represented by the adjacent pyramid? Option A. Expanding population. Option B. Declining population. Option C. Stable population. Option D. None. The correct answer is option B. Declining population. An age pyramid is a graphic representation of the proportion of various age groups of a population, with pre-reproductive at the reproduction in the middle and post-reproductive at the top. Question number 24. The given pyramid represents dash. Option A. Pyramid of energy in lake ecosystem. Option B. Pyramid of number in lake ecosystem. Option C. Pyramid of biomass in grassland ecosystem. Option D. Pyramid of biomass in lake ecosystem. The correct answer is option D. Pyramid of biomass in lake ecosystem. In lake ecosystems, there is gradual increase in biomass of organisms at successive trophic levels from the producers to the consumers. Hence, the pyramid of biomass is generally inverted in a lake ecosystem. Question number 25. What do primary producers have available to convert into biomass? Option A. 10% of secondary productivity. Option B. Energy used for respiration. Option C. Gross primary productivity. Option D. Net primary productivity. The correct answer is option D. Net primary productivity. Net primary production is the rate at which all the autotrophs in an ecosystem produce net useful chemical energy. As noted, it is equal to the difference between the rate at which the plants in an ecosystem produce useful chemical energy, GPP, and the rate at which they use some of that energy during respiration. Question number 26. According to Forestry Commission Report 1997, the total forest cover of India. Option A. 11%. Option B. 19.5%. Option C. 17%. Option D. 18.7%. The correct answer is option B. 19.5%. Question number 27. Which one of the following pairs of organisms are exotic species introduced in India? Option A. Nile perch, Ficus religiosa. Option B. Ficus religiosa, Lantana camara. Option C. Lantana camara, water hyacinth. Option D. Water hyacinth, Prosopis cineraria. The correct answer is option C. Lantana camara, water hyacinth, a species of organisms that is not native to a locality and having been moved there from its natural range by humans or other agents is called exotic species. Question number 28. Photosynthetically active radiation, PAR, represents the following range of wavelength. Option A. 450 to 950 nanometers. Option B. 340 to 450 nanometers. Option C. 400 to 700 nanometers. Option D. 500 to 600 nanometers. The correct answer is option C. 400 to 700 nanometers. Photosynthetically active radiation, PAR, is light of wavelengths 400 to 700 nanometers and is the portion of the light spectrum utilized by plants for photosynthesis. Question number 29. Biomagnification refers to increase in concentration of the toxicant at successive trophic levels. This happens because option A. A toxic substance accumulated by an organism cannot be metabolized. Option B. A toxic substance accumulated by an organism cannot be excreted. Option C. A toxic substance passed on to the next higher trophic level. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option C. A toxic substance passed on to the next higher trophic level. Biomagnification refers to increase in concentration of the toxicant at successive trophic level. This happens because a toxic substance accumulated by an organism cannot be metabolized or excreted and is thus passed on to the next higher trophic level. This phenomenon is well known for mercury and DDT. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.